Hello everyone, welcome back to my Excel for Data Analyst series. In this third video in our playlist, and today we will be covering an essential skills for data. Every data analyst must use how we can do data cleaning techniques in Excel. So data cleaning is a crucial step in any data analysis project. Raw data is often messy, inconsistent, and filling with missing values, duplicates, and error. And if you don't clean your data properly, your analysis could be lead to incorrect conclusions. So in this video, I will walk through the various Excel functions and tools that will help you clean and prepare data effectively. So let's start it with but before we start, let's take a quick look at the sample data set. I have created this data set that contains like different some errors I have, incorrect formatting, missing values, and so on, like like inconsistent data types, some extra spaces in text. So we will use access built-in functions and techniques to clean this data set. So let's start with let's see. There is I have client, date, contact, department, payment, revenue, profit, everything. So how you can clean your data in from this to like make a user friendly, and you can anyone can see this all the data properly. So first of all, we have some raw data here, and we need to just scroll bigger this like this, so it will give you the clarity. And you can do this along with that. Just do this also. So now it's looks properly right now, but we also have some big space here, and still we need to improve our data. So we need to adjust our data properly. So for that we must click Ctrl A. So this select everything, and after that we need to go to format, autofill row height, and autofill column width. But we can do also using this is the same process we can do with auto alt H O I, right? So by this you can easily like see auto correct, autofill. So after autofill column, it's time to do set the row. So for that, alt H O A, got it, alt H O A. So it easily you can do also from row height. So by this you can see it's autofill uh, our column width. Alright guys, so now our dataset is very clean, but we still need to adjust something like let's this company, as you can see the client, we can also remove after the parenthesis and this all the. So how you can do that? So first of all we need to select this entire column by clicking on this way, and after that you can see there is a mirror, the set is find and replace. Click on that and click on the replace button. So we want to first of all find what do you want, what do you want to replace. So I want to replace some anything under this left parenthesis and right parenthesis, and I don't want anything for replace. So replace all, so it removes everything after that. Okay, so as you can see, this is all the removes after the parenthesis. Alright, so continues with this our client. Let's say I want to add a new column here. So how you can do that? After, you just need to click on here, click insert. So this way the new column will you can create, and you can also you can write anything under this. Alright guys, so let's say I want this client name here, and I don't want in all the capital form. I want in lower cases. So for that you can also write, you should write client here, and then here we can use function call is equal to lower, hit the tab button, and what do you want to convert. So this is C3, so you can just type C3 and hit the enter. So this way you can see your uh, client name in small letters. So you can also do this all the process by just simply click on double tap here, so it will give you the outcome on the same capital here and in this small letter. Alright guys, so let's say I want to remove this, and we can continue with this column only. So for that you can also remove this file by just control minus, but for that but now it shows me the error here, because we are using the function on the left. So how you can do that? Click Control Z, so it undo the process. And now we have to because we are using the this function here, so that's why we got this error when we remove this column. So how you can do that? So simply you just need to double click here and Control C. So it's copy your column here, and we need to select, go to paste and paste as a value. Click on the paste as a value, so it will give it convert into the value. So now you can't see the any formula here. It's just a text message, text letters. So now you can remove this column here by just simply click on control minus. So this is the way you can remove your capital letters into the small one. Alright guys, so now it's time to do with contact here. So you can see, as you can see, there is a very capital, some letters are capital and some inconsistent, and so there is so more space here. So we also set this contact this all in a new column. So for that you have to just click here, and we are going to insert a new column here. So for that you need to click Control Shift plus, so it will automatically give you the new column here, as we can done with this column client, right? So that was a format, that was a shortcut for like Control Shift plus. So it gives you the new column in middle of this both column. So now we can write contact here, use capital letters for contact. Okay, so now first of all you need to trim this name for better like show the name. So for that use trim function. I want to add text of D3, click enter, but it's still this is the capital letters here. So how you can do that? You can also use is equal to format proper, hit the tab D3, click on enter, so it gives you the proper way. Just first a capital letter here, and you can also use that trim function here, trim, and close parenthesis, click the enter, so it gives you the proper way. You need to double click here to get all the data clearly here. Alright, so we set this formulas in values. So how you can do that? Control space, so it select the whole column, and Control C, and after that Alt H VV, or you can just simply put a control value. paste here values, so it will give you the value here. So this remove the, you can see here it's remove formulas and just a text format here. And now we can remove this file by control minus. So this is the way you can set your contact properly in for proper format here. So you can see the departments here, it's split into the two different part here. So you need to insert one. We are going to separate this by just click insert here, column new here, and let's write region here, and okay, so you can also separate this state name into region here, department. So for that you need to select this one, so control shift down, so it will select the entire column, and go to the data to text to column here, click on that, delimited, next. So you want to separate from the underscore line here, so I click on hit others and underscore click on type underscore here, and next. And destination would be E3, from E3, so it will click on the finish. So it separate your region into from department. Okay, so this is the way you can separate your data and set this one. Okay guys, so you can also remove some duplicates from our data. So for removing the duplicate values, you need to click on Control A, so it selects everything, your data set here. So again you need to go to data and hit on this tab here, remove duplicates, and you want to select all the columns here, and my data has headers, so click on OK. So one duplicate value is found and removed, so this is the you click on the OK, and this is the way you can remove some duplicate values. Alright guys, so you can also, now you can see in the payment column here, there is some empty cells here like this, and revenue also this. So how you can like type NA. So for that you can also select everything by clicking Control A, and go to the home page, home here, and click on that, finally select, go to special, and as you can see there is a blank here, click on that, okay, and you have to type here NA here, and instead of clicking on enter, you also you can use control enter, so this way it will automatically type all the NA here. Don't use only enter, use control plus enter, so it will give you the NA value in every empty box. So now we can clean this data here, profit margin. As you can see, there is a no value here because of our revenue. There is a null value here and a. So how we can fix this problem here? Click on. We are using the function formula here, I3 and IS3. So for that you can, if you got any error, so click on is equal to if error, if any error, click tab. So we are giving the value here I3 S3, and also click comma, use NA. We will type NA if we got any error. So close parenthesis, click enter, and as you can see there is a, so this is the formula over here, and click the double tap here, so it will give you the NA value here in your data set. Alright guys, so after that let's clean this spaces here, extra space, as you can see here. So go for that, go to view page, and the grid lines, remove that. Okay, so now it's clean, and you can see the total, like we done our data cleaning process. So that's for the today's video. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. So in the next video, we will deep dive into the pivot tables and pivot charts for data analysis, how you can use pivot tables. So we will all learn in our next upcoming videos in this playlist. So stay tuned for that.